Lalabs, today is the day I will marry you. We're getting married today, and we build our life from small things, and that one only makes sense to us.
God knows how much I love you and how much I thank Him that you came in my life.
Maganda sa ating duyan, wag nang mawala.
When sleep doesn't come, we'll mess up sometimes, learn each other slowly and grow. Together with through it all, life won't always be easy. But I know this much, I will keep choosing you. Even it's the hard day, I may not see you every day, but I will always see you every day, but I always love you every day. That's my promise, and I love you forever. I love you.
The best way to enjoy life is to have correct relationship with God, number one, and then number two, we must enjoy God daily through prayer and reading of God's Word.
Well, tinatanggap mo ba si Jenny Lynn bilang iyong asawa ayon sa batas ng Diyos? At sa banal na kasalan na ito, mamahalin mo ba siya? Aaliwin sa kahirapan at kaginhawaan, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan, at mamumuhay para sa kanya lamang habang kayo ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Marvelyn, tinatanggap mo ba si Ruel bilang iyong asawa ayon sa batas ng Diyos? At sa banal na kasalan na ito, mamahalin mo ba siya? Aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan, sa kahirapan at kaginhawaan, at mamumuhay ka para sa Kanya lamang habang kayo ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Kaya hatid sa damdamin.
When God writes the love story, every wait is worth it. 15 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. I help you succeed. I'll be your constant equal. I'll endure until end, and I will love you unconditionally. You were my first, and you will be my last. There shall never be another you. I love you.
Sa araw-araw, mahifag ka ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Mahifag ka, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahifag ka ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.